So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate the Buffer dashboard quickly so that you can work efficiently. So the Buffer dashboard is designed to help users easily manage and schedule content across multiple social media platforms. So here's a quick overview of the key features and how to use them. So first of all, when you log in into your Buffer, you're taken to the main dashboard, and the layout is clean and divided into three main areas. So the left sidebar is, as you can see, we have connected some different social medias. We have connected Instagram and Facebook. Then the top navigation bar, it gives you access to key sections like, for example, publishing, the analytics, engagement, and even the settings up here. Then the main work space is the central area where you view and manage posts, which is here. You can see we have new post, click on new post and like that. Then the next thing is the connected account on the side left, on the left sidebar here. You'll see icons for each of the connected social media, like for example, Facebook. You can see this, we have connected the Facebook page. So you can click on this if you want to work with that page, if you want to post a content on this Facebook page. Once you click on it, it gives you these features where now you can go ahead and customize your content and do all sorts of editing. Then if you also want to work with Instagram, you just click on Instagram page, then it takes you to this section where now you can do more with that. You also have the calendar here. This calendar, you can use it to schedule your work. Then if you want to create a new post, and you just go back to all channels. So if you've connected all of your channels here, if you want to post a new post, you just click on all channels, then click on new post. Then all your channels that you've connected to your Buffer website, you can see them highlighting themselves up here. So if you want to work with Facebook, you just select Facebook like that. Then you can go ahead now, start creating the content, music, all the content that you want to put on that part. But for this sake, I'll just go back because I don't want to create any content on this section. So what I'll do, I'll just discard the changes, then I go back. Then the next thing that I want us to know as you are navigating to your Buffer website, you also can manage your accounts or the channels that you have connected to. So once you click on your manage your channels like that, it takes you to this section, and on this section you can even disconnect the channels that you have connected. So you can see it's 2 out of 3. Let's say, for example, I don't want to connect Instagram anymore. I just click on disconnect like that. Then I'll come here and then type the term disconnect. Then I click on that. Then immediately I will disconnect that website from my Buffer. Then I can go ahead and connect something like, for example, the TikTok or YouTube and all that. You also have this section that says profile. You can go back here and add your information. You can go to publish. I've already taken you through that. Analyze. This is where you can do analytics, but this only happens when you have the paid plan. So because now you can see it is saying on one dashboard for your social media platform analytics and reporting, there's only a free trial for 14 days. So this one only happens when you have the paid plan, but I'm using a free plan and all that. You can also check engagements. You can analyze your content, how it's engaging with the audience out there. Then you can also see it's functional on the paid plans and all that. So I'll click no. Then I'll just go back to publish section. Now you're back to a publish section. You can also go to create. This is the place where now you can be creating your content and editing. What else have I not touched on? There's this section that says tags. You can also play with your hashtags and tags of your videos. You check them here. Then all that. You can also check. This is the place where now you have your settings. You have your channels, you have plan pricing, you can invite your team, refer a friend, then better features and all that. So that's how you can navigate your and understand the dashboard of your buffer so that you can easily work in efficiency and make sure that all things works in a good plan. You can see you have queues, drafts, approvals, send. You can also create your drafts here before you send your content to your channels if you want to do that. So that is how easy you have understood the Buffer website. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like it, you leave that subscription, and you share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.